Greetings, everyone. Today, we will discuss enhancing your mobile security by appropriately configuring the 10T ProxyVPN. This guide will provide you clear, actionable instructions. Firstly, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Accurately input 10T ProxyVPN into the search bar. Ensure you verify the authenticity of the application by confirming the developer and icon before proceeding with the installation. Following successful installation, open the application. Carefully review and accept the terms and conditions presented. Proceed to select a preferred connection method. For optimal performance, we recommend selecting Hysteria UDP. Choose an appropriate server from the provided list. Selecting a server geographically closer to your current location is generally recommended. Extend your connection time as needed to suit your requirements. Before establishing a connection, verify that your device has an active internet connection via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Initiate the secure connection by tapping the Connect button. Allow the application sufficient time to establish the secure connection. Once connected, your device's data will be encrypted and transmitted through a secure server, thus improving your online privacy. By following these steps, you are significantly enhancing your device's security and protecting your digital information from potential threats. Thank you for your time.